Magbabalik ang Mellow Mix. Hello me, BJ Nikki. At, mainit guys, pagpasensyahan niya ako. Okay, I have a question. How far are you willing to go for love? Or, sige, huwag naman, parang masyadong maganda yung tanong na yun eh. Sige, let's make it a more practical question. What are you willing to give para sa iyong mahal na buhay? Para sa iyong mahal? Ano ang willing mong ibigay to keep the relationship alive?
Pure love.
Anong pure love? Ano kasi may pure love? Ano kasama sa pure love?
Yeah.
Ano?
Pride daw.
Pride? Hindi. O sige, physically.
Wala naman eh. Wala. Kahit ano.
Wala. Very conservative, ha? No, because, you know, most people fall into the mistake. Lalo na pag early on in the relationship pa lang, feeling nila, pag hindi nila binigay ang all nila, and we are talking about it on a physical level, okay, on a sensual level. Pag hindi nila binigay all nila, iiwan sila. And I think that is the common misconception na pag mahal mo na isang tao, kahit 1 week pa lang kayo magkakilala, bam, i-give mo na. No, that's not the case. The person really loves you. The person will respect your principles and your beliefs, at hindi ka niya pipilitin to do something that will force you to sacrifice those things. Yun lang, kasi summer. At na-sexy yan ako sa suit mo. Kaya ako nabanggit yun. Okay, anyways. Speaking of all, here's Mariah Carey with My All.